have been doing research during the last 20 years, looking at different aspects of the interaction between the people and the environment. And for us, the value of this interaction is that it allows us to determine, to explore the variables that can predict the human reactions or human responses. The nature-based solutions are at this moment offering different possibilities for addressing the problems related to climate change. In fact, the European Commission has defined some priorities related to the nature-based solutions and have defined some agendas which really have been contributing to the designing of these agendas. And they are important for us because they allow us to explore predicting models of people perception and predicting models for explaining how is the impact of green policies or a given green policies or a combination of them. One of the more important gaps is the lack of multidisciplinary and transdisciplinary methodologies to study the problem. And we need more concurrence of other disciplines working in collaboration and working in a transdisciplinary way. We take this into consideration and we put together this with the need to strengthen the bridges between politicians and scientists who are doing the right way. Politicians have to be aware about the need to share their concerns with more organizations and with more people. And this needs to implement participatory approaches, critical participatory approaches to improve the decision-making process. And this implies to introduce changes in the governance system and making the policy more horizontal one and not top-down as we are used to recently. And also implementing bottom-up approaches that consider the contributions of the organizations and contributions of people in the end.
Interested? Then jump on board and join the platform.